I'm going to knock down the vending machines. Yay, I knocked down the vending machines. Yay, I knocked down the vending machines. Oh no. It's the teacher.
Dodge, how dare you knock down the vending machines? You know they can cause damage. That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So Dodge, why are you here?
I knocked down the vending machines.
Dodge, I can't believe you knocked down the vending machines. That's it, you're suspended for 534,948 months. Go home now.
Dodge, how dare you knock down the vending machines? You know knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You are grounded for 996 months.
Now go upstairs to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.